Hello, welcome everyone. Today let us have the class on shares and dividends. What are shares? Suppose I want to start a company or industry, or I want to start a business which needs 10 lakh rupees. But I don't have 10 lakh rupees to start the company. So what I do is, I divide the complete required money into different parts. Suppose 10 lakh rupees, I will divide into 10,000 parts. Each part has 100 rupees. We have 10,000 parts. And each part is said to be a share. I sell the shares, which is for 100 rupees, and I get the required amount of money to start the project. So by using that money which I get from by selling the shares can be used to start the project, and whatever profits we get, that can be shared among the people. The person who buys the share or shares is called the shareholder. Okay, and each unit is called a share. I said whatever amount I want to have, that can be divided into different units, and each unit is called a share. A person can buy one or more shares. The person who buys the shares is called the shareholder. Okay, now the shareholders, they get the profit or income from the company, and the company gives per 100 rupees some amount per year will be given to the shareholders, which is said to be rate of dividend. Rate of dividend means per 100 rupees per year. For 100 rupees, whatever money will be given, that is said to be rate of dividend or dividend percentage. Okay? So, the actual value of a share, is known as the face value or nominal value of a share. Nominal value of a share is actual value of a share. Okay? Generally we use NV or FV for the face value or the nominal value of a share. And the value of a share changes from time to time. That is known as market value of a share. Market value of a share means value of the share in the market. Market value MB. It changes from time to time. It changes from time to time. Whereas nominal value is actual value of a share is the fixed value. It is the fixed value. That is, face value is same always, whereas the market value of a share changes from time to time. Then what is annual dividend? Annual dividend is otherwise known as the annual income on a share. Annual income on a share. Annual dividend means annual income on a share. And this annual dividend depends upon the face value of a share. Dividend is always calculated on the face value of a share, not on the market value of a share. Okay? Then In order to annual dividend or annual income, in short, we write AI. Annual income equal to NRF by 100. That means where N is number of shares, R is rate of dividend. That is, already I said what is rate of dividend. That is dividend per 100. Rate means per 100 in percentage. F is the face value of a share. F is the face value of a share. Sometimes we can write NR% F. At that time, R% means R by 100. So if you know number of shares, rate of dividend and face value of a share, you can find the annual income. Okay? Then, I said market value of a share changes from time to time. Sometimes market value of a share is equal to nominal value of the share, that is face value of the share. Sometimes market value is greater than face value, and sometimes market value is less than the nominal value or face value of the share. Then, if market value is equal to nominal value of the share is said to be at par. The share is said to be at par. If market value of a share is greater than nominal value of a share, the share is said to be above par. Par value, nominal value or face value of a share is otherwise known as par value of a share. So if market value is greater than nominal value, the share is said to be above par or above premium. Above premium. And if market value of a share is less than nominal value of the share, the share is said to be below par or at a discount. Or we can say the share is at discount if the market value of the share is less than the nominal value of a share. And in this connection, let me explain you what is the meaning of 15% 100 rupee shares at 125 rupees. 15% 100 rupee shares at 125 rupees. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is face value of a share is 100 rupees. That is available at 125 rupees. Market value of the share is 125 rupees. And 15% is the rate of dividend. Rate of dividend is 15%. That means dividend is 15% of 100. That is 15 rupees. Already I said that dividend is always calculated on the nominal value or face value. Here the face value of the share is 100 rupees. So rate of dividend is 15%. So dividend is 15% of 100. That is 15 rupee dividend on one share. Dividend on one share. But suppose a person buys the share for 125 rupees, which is the market value, then his income percent or profit percent, his profit percent, or it is said to be percentage return, equal to, he gets same 15 rupees from the company, but his investment was 125 rupees into 100 rupees. 25 5s are 25 4s are 5 1s are 5 3s. 12%. Though the company gives 15% dividend, the person gets only 12% profit. I hope you understood here. Why the percentage profit percent or return percent became 12%? Because the person bought share for 125 rupees. So for 125 rupees, he got 15 rupees on one share. So his percentage profit or return percent will be 12%. If the market value will be less, then profit percent will be more. If the market value is more, the profit percent will be less. I hope you understood. Let me give you one more example and explain this. Suppose for the same question, I'll give you 15%, 100 rupees shares, available at 4% discount. I gave you 4% discount. The meaning of this is, face value of a share is 100 rupees. Rate of dividend is same 15%. But here the market value of a share is, it is given 4% discount on the face value. That means 100 minus 4% of 100. Yes or no? So 100 minus 4 is 96 rupees is the market value. Market value is 96 rupees. So here percentage means the person bought the share for 96 rupees. For 100 rupees share, he has bought for 96 rupees. So his percentage profit will be more. Let us see. So here profit percent is or return percent is actually income we have to find first. Is annual income, let us find. The dividend is same 15% of 100 only. 15 rupees is going to get. But profit percent is or return percent is 15 out of 96. Means for 96 rupees is investment, 15 rupees was his income into 100%. So 4 2s are 4 4s are 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 3 5s are 3 8. Nothing more. 25 5s are 125 by 8. 8 1s are 8, 4 5, 8 5s are 40 and 5 by 8%. That means his profit percent is more than 15%. Whereas rate of dividend is 15%, but his profit percent is more than 15%. So with this, what did you understand? The return percent, the formula for return percent or percentage profit is annual income by investment, into 100%. Annual income by his investment into 100%. If you do, you are going to get the profit percent. Next, if you want to find number of shares, total income by income on one share gives you number of shares. Okay. Number of shares is equal to total income. That means if a person has 10 shares, income on 10 shares, by income on one share, Also number of shares is equal to total investment by investment. That means how much will be the investment? Whatever will be the market value. Investment of one share. That means total investment is number of shares into market value of a share. Suppose market value of a share is 125 rupees. The person wants to buy 10 shares. His investment will be 125 into 10, that is 1250. Suppose you know total investment and market value of one share, and if you want to have number of shares, you have to divide. Okay? I hope the concept is clear for shares and dividend. Thank you.